Let's take a look at typography options in Gumbo WordPress theme. Like all the other theme options, they're located and accessible from WordPress theme customizer screen, which you can reach if you go to Appearance, then Customize in your WordPress admin dashboard. So let's take a look at what these options look like. As you can see right in the theme customizer screen, there is a typography section that lets you set a few font options. You can select your font size, you can select body font, heading font, and you can also decide if you want your headings to be bold and or uppercase. So as you can see, currently we have medium font size set, and we can change that to small or large. Let's take a look at what small looks like. And what's very important is to know that these changes, until you save and publish them, will not be visible to your site's audience. So if I refresh this post, it still has medium font size, but if I save the options now, the fonts will be smaller. And that goes for fonts all across the board. Site titles, site tagline, the navigation, post titles, body font, sidebar, footer, everything. We can also set that to large, and you see the change right there. Let's set it back to medium and take a look at body font and heading font options. Now, we didn't want to include all 600 plus Google fonts because scrolling through 600 fonts is a pain in the ass and nobody wants to do it. So we just decided to select a few fonts that we felt went well with the design and were legible and readable and let your content stand out. You can change the body font and the heading font by using these drop downs right here. And once again, you have to save and publish the option before your site audience is able to see that. So let's just save and take a look at our site now. As you can see, the headings are different and the body font is different. Currently it's cabin for both, but of course you can change that. You can make it whatever is shown in this list. In addition to that, you can make your headings bold and uppercase, which they are here, but let's disable both those options. And you see how the headings are now different. The bold is gone, the uppercase is gone, giving you a different look. In addition to setting these options right here, you can also change font size for each post or page. So let's take a look at this post and go to its edit screen. And below the post editor, there is a options meta box that lets you change font size and make it small, medium, or large. Let's say we want this one in particular to be small. And then we update, view the post, and see that the fonts are smaller. Now let's go back to home page to see that there the fonts are still medium as saved in the WordPress theme customizer screen.